Hello friends, this Deepavali lots of phones are launching in India. OnePlus is also planning to launch their flagship killer phone to India. It is worth to buy this phone. I has 7 reasons not to buy this phone. Here Dr. BC and you are watching BCD Tech. This is my OnePlus One. I am using this phone from last 3 months. I got this unit from an AliExpress seller. Now the manufacturer of this phone is planning to launch this phone in India. If you are planning to buy this phone, then this is not a bad deal. This will launch at 18,000 rupees for 16 gig of version and 23 to 24,000 for 64 gig of version. And the specification of this phone is almost equal to the high-end phone from Sony, LG, HTC and Samsung. You can see lots of video online to buy this OnePlus One. People in India are long waiting for this phone. Now whether this phone worth for that? In this video I will tell you the 7 reasons why you should not buy this phone. May this help you. Reason number 1, the fake 13 megapixel Sony camera. According to specification, the phone has 13 megapixel autofocus camera from Sony. Is it so? No. According to ifixit.com, the rear camera is not from Sony and our experience also tell you the same. The camera is from some Chinese manufacturer, Sunny Optical Technology, as claimed by ifixit.com. So OnePlus team is making fool to the people. If you expect a stunning pics on this phone, then you are lost. Now the reason number 2, the OS Cyanogen Mode 11S. This phone was launched in China with Color OS with lots of Chinese stuff inside, but for international version, this has Cyanogen Mode 11S. Now all of us know that Cyanogen Mode is not a reliable ROM. There are risks for data stolen and copying. Although OnePlus team work together with Cyanogen developers and come with this OS for OnePlus One, but who know what they are hiding. Now if you trust on the developer, you can go with this OnePlus One. Now the reason number 3, availability. Although this unit is launched in India without any invitation, still the phone will come from China, and due to Indian custom policy and production line, always there will be a shortage with demand. So you can see a pre-order on manufacturer site as seen from established manufacturer from Xiaomi on Flipkart. So there will be first come and first serve queue. Reason number 4, battery life. I am using this phone from last 3 months and believe me that the battery of this phone is worst. It hardly stands for 1 day. If you are continuously using 3G, then it will die within 15 to 18 hours. See what happened on 4G network. I think this will last only for 10 to 12 hours. So please see this before buying this phone. Now the reason number 5, the warranty and product support. That is big problem. In those countries where this phone is officially launched are still facing the warranty support. They have to send back their faulty OnePlus One back to China, where they repair and send back to you. This is very lengthy process. If this is happening also in India, then that is bad news. One suggestion to OnePlus team, better to tie up with our local service provider like HCL for products and warranty support. Now the reason number 6, network and modem problem. This is from my 3-month experience with this phone. The network or the modem have some problem. When you are on a call, in between you will see call drops many times. Same with 3G modem and Wi-Fi. They are continuously disconnecting time to time. Sometimes it is very hard to connect to a 3G network or to a home wireless router. I think this is a driver or modem firmware problem. So my request to OnePlus team to work on this problem and come with some solution. Now the final reason number 7, problem in Full HD LCD. Many people from the world had returned this phone to the manufacturer due to this problem. You will find a yellowish patchy screen at the bottom of the display LCD. This will hardly suffer the color reproduction, but sometimes, especially when you are on white background, then this is disgusting. So please and please, I request OnePlus team not to sell this patchy phone to India. Now I tell you the 7 reasons why should you not buy OnePlus One. It depends upon you whether you buy or wait for a new upgrade version of this OnePlus One. That's all for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to this video. The subscription link is shown on your screen. For more videos on upcoming gadget, phone and technology, keep watching BCD Tech. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.